Good evening, guys and girls. Back at work tonight. I know you all miss me. I'm just taking a little bit break. I enjoy my beauty sleep for sure. So what's new? If you guys follow my channel, you know what's new. On RTY, we make about 80 points to 100 points. No biggie, right? We move on. Obviously, today we have a reversal day, so I have a lot of update for you. Stay tuned. All right. Before I get to my chart, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Tell me how you like the video. Let's go. So I only have the ES pull up for you. Well, let me tell you, this is not my favorite chart anymore. So, but we'll get to my favorite. But today we're gonna start with the ES as usual. All right. So where are we? All right. So I think today's market price actions, we are back to square one. So what does that mean? I think we're back into the range that I have stated again and again. We're inside this big range again. All right. So first test of this support, market bounced pretty hard into the resistance level, and we reversed pretty hard, and now we're in the middle of this no man land. And then we under the 50 days, we under the 30 days, are not under a lot of resistance. So, and then I would say if you break it down in half, we are kind of in the upper half. So my bias will be, I will be leaning to the downside, okay? With the stimulus putting on break, I think now market has lost its hope. Earlier, this rally is just fueled by the false hope, right? Now, I think market has lost its catalyst. So what else? What else is gonna make the market break to the upside? More interest rate news from the Fed? I don't know, but we're not here to speculate. So I'm just gonna trade off the chart. What it tells me is we rejected by the resistance and we'll continue down. And I'm thinking that we will retest this level. And what I said before, my target to the 3100s areas, 3150 areas is still intact. Okay, it's back in play. All right, I'm not looking that far yet, but all right, let's do things one at a time, take baby steps. Let's see if this level is gonna break. And then we will continue to short the pop. All right, so I think based on the daily chart, a good shorting level will be around 33.50, around 33.75. Okay, let's set an alert around that area, right? And then we will see how the market react. All right, so we're gonna set that, and then of course we will see more selling if we're below this level, which is 32.68. Okay, so that is the game plan for now. I will stay away from this low man end, to be honest, and I will just try to short the pops, or if we don't get the pops, and I would say definitely we will have a more heavier selling after we break this level, 32.68 to at least the former support. And the first time when it touched the support, it bounced pretty hard. Now the second time will be the real test and see if we can complete this A, B, C movement, okay? A, B, C, all right? So let's dive into the intraday. So intraday wise, you can see pretty clearly, we have this spiking channel, all right? these spiking channels is looking like holding at this moment, but the last rotation here, we didn't really quite touch it. So I think tomorrow we will probably finish the job at least to 33.40. So let's wait for a pop higher, and then we will possibly get another leg down to 33.40 ish. Okay, and the next target obviously is around these areas, the bottom of this spiking channel, around 32.90. All right, I would not try to buy the dip as if the market really go that low, the momentum is really not on our side. So be very careful. Okay, so that is it for ES. Now, what is my favorite chart now? Okay, so obviously it's my RTY, right? So we did pretty good on that, 80 points, 100 points from where I call it, right? Around 1500s. All right, so a market just keep on running and running. And then now today we have a reversals. So where are we now? Well, at this point, I really favor a bearish trade. We'll look at the retracement level around half, 50% or 38%, if you know how to draw that, right? So let's do that. Okay, so see where we're at with that. Your 38% level will be around 1584. Now, 50% will be your 1590. So watch those level carefully. With this kind of momentum going down, I don't think market is just gonna drive it all the way back up. Okay, so the probability of that is very low. All right, I'm not saying that it's completely impossible, but it's very low probability. So the momentums, I think will complete in this wave down by going at least to C. Okay, C to maybe around 1520 or maybe 1530, right? So it looks like a pretty good area, all right? 1530. So I think tomorrow, if we do get any strength in the morning, I will look for a fail breakout setup in individual stocks. All right, so I see a lot of stocks is turning bearish, especially in these sectors, the airline sectors. So pay very close attention to that. All right, technical wise, they're not looking very good. All right. BA in particular, ESLA also looking nice, but we still in these consolidations levels, so we have some rooms to go down. So all the Fairman, to be honest, they are not very good looking. A lot of people, they were talking about a potential head and shoulders. Personally, I think that's very unreliable. It is not how you should trade. Okay. So just looking at this, I see a lot of weakness. So we hit the retracement level. It looks like we will continue down and we test this trend line. So we tested how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 5th times, we don't know. We might break that, right? So be very careful of that. But I want you to also pay attention to another hidden trend line that nobody ever mentions. So a former trend line that is here, that was been holding up pretty well and broken, and then just slightly broken down, and then now just go ballistics or parabolics, riding this hidden trend line, to be honest. Now we are rejected by this trend line. Okay, so I want you to also watch this trend line. So I would say, so for Apple, that's 120. It's pretty clear cut. 120 is a strong resistance, and currently we are in range. All right, and then it's obviously oversold, so there's a lot of rooms for it to correct if it wants to. So do not reject the idea of things might just go south. Of course, before elections, anything can happen. So tighten your seatbelt. Just take a back seat for a little bit. It's okay not to trade, right? So at least that's what I've been doing for the last couple of days. Just kind of sit back and relax. I see a lot of small caps. Yeah, it's going parabolic as well. To be honest, opportunities are there every day, so I'm not interested to just chase around for no reason. So I have my stocks to swing trade, but I will just execute as planned, and I no need to be just going all over the place. Okay, so that is it. I think I have concluded my thought pretty well. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Drop a like button or drop a comment below and hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, until next time, laters, baby.